Hello students, a very good morning to you. How are you? I hope you all okay and continuing your study. So students, the chapter 8, the life unit of life we are continuing. Today we will study about the topic that is cytoskeleton. As we know, the cell and its organelles do various functions for the cell. And the cells combiningly forms the functions for our body. So what is cytoskeleton? The first topic of today is cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton means a network of an elaborate network of proteinaceous structure of microtubules and microfilaments. Clear? We can say that the elaborate network means inside the cell on the cytoplasm elaborately spread some networks of microtubules and microfilaments, due to which the cell have a structure which is called as cytoskeletal structure. As we have skeleton inside our body which gives us a particular structure, like we are human beings, so our skeletal structure is like humans. If we saw a dog, then its skeletal structure is like a dog. Exactly, the cytoskeletal structure we are discussing about, the cytoskeleton, that is what the inside the cell the cytoplasm is present and the cell have a particular shape. Either the plant cell have rectangular shape or the animal cell have circular shape. The shape is due to the elaborate network of microtubules and the filaments present in it. Clear? In it means here the cytoplasm. So what is the function of this cytoskeleton? Like our skeleton, what is do for our body? Our skeleton gives us a shape and holds the muscles in it, gives strength. Exactly the function of cytoskeleton occur in the cell. So it provides mechanical support. The first function of cytoskeleton is to provide mechanical support, means it will not burst or it will not damage due to presence of these microfilaments and microtubules. Next is gives shape to the cell. As I have told you, it gives mechanical support, then it gives shape to the cell. It also regulates the distribution of orientation of cell organelles. Means inside the cell, as we know, the cytoplasm is a semi-liquid form, present in semi-liquid form, due to which the cell organelles present inside the cytoplasm have different orientations. So the orientation is regulated or controlled by the cytoskeleton. It also helps in the movement of some substances. Clear student? It also helps in the movement of cell as well as some substances. If the question comes that what is the function of cytoskeleton and what is it consists of, then you can write it consists of an elaborate network of microtubules and filaments, and it has various functions which does for the cell, like provides mechanical support, gives shape to the cell, then regulates the distribution of orientation of cell organelles and helps in the cell movement. Next topic is our cilia and flagella. We know that cilia and flagella are used as locomotory organ by some organisms, means by some single cell organisms. So cilia is hair-like structure which arise from the body. If we see, then cilia in paramecium, we can see these are the cilia. These are the cilia, hair-like structure. But if we see, this is flagella. Flagella is long, whereas the cilia is short. Cilia arise all along the body which helps in the locomotion and movement of substances, whereas flagella helps in swimming. So what is they made up of and what is their function? What is the function of cilia and flagella? As we know, the cell membrane bears cilia and flagella. So the flagella is, if we saw its dissecting part or we got a cross section of cilia or flagella, then we can see the look like this. You can see the diagram, the cilia or flagella. If we cut from its cross section, then we can see the structure like this. and they are arranged in 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 means 9 are peripheral rings and 2 are centrally located rings, and they all are inside the plasma membrane. You can see this layer is called plasma membrane or cell membrane, which is selectively permeable. Then here the rings you can see doublet, they are arranged in doublet. They are called as peripheral microtubules, which is present inside the cilia. Next, this is called interdouble bridge or interdoublet bridge. It means it connects all the ring-like structures with each other, due to which the cilia has a specific structure. Next, this portion is central microtubules. These are microtubules, centrally located 2 microtubules, whereas 9 are located peripherally. That's why we can say as they are central microtubules and they are peripheral microtubules. Again, the central microtubule is covered by central sheath, means the central sheath protects the central microtubule. Next, you can see the linkers. These linkers, what is their function? The linkers hold the peripheral microtubules or rings with each other, and they are, here you can see 5 radial arranged spokes. Radially arranged spokes, they are found in every microtubule or every peripheral microtubule. Is that clear, students? Next, here is the important part, that is axoneme. What is axonome? Axonome is present just below the plasma membrane. Inside it, this is acts like a core. Suppose like Earth's core, a layer of soil, then its core forms. Exactly after plasma membrane or just below the plasma membrane, there is axonome is present, which provides the structure to the flagella, and inside axonome, the peripheral microtubules, which are arranged in doublets, means twice or 2, and centrally located microtubules are present. As I have here told you, the sheath have a rigid structure inside which the microtubules are present, due to which the flagella or cilia are strong and they will not break easily, and they help in the locomotion or movement or swimming. They emerge from centriole. Remember, student, the cilia or flagella, which are arranged as 9 plus 2, here I have written already 9 plus 2, 9 doublets peripheral microtubules, whereas 2 centrally located microtubules. What is their function? They are emerged from centriole like structure called basal body, means from the region or from the point where they are arise are called as basal body. So if we cut the flagella or cilia by its cross section, we can see the arrangement of these tubules in ring like structure. Is that clear, students? So next topic is our centrosome or centriole. What is centrosome and centriole? During cell division, when daughter cells are produced from the parent cells, then there is the important role of centrosome or centriole occurs. So centrosome is consist of a pair of centrioles, means centrioles together form centrosome, and surrounded by amorphous pericentriolar cytoplasm called centromere. Clear, student? We can say that centrosome consists of a pair of centriole. Clear? Next, they are amorphous. Amorphous means one is crystalline and another is amorphous. So here they are arranged as amorphous pericentriolar cytoplasm, that is called centromere. That is called centromere or kinoplasm, or we can say as kinoplasm, from which spindle fibers are arranged. You will study in the next chapter, chapter 10. During cell division, what happens? The cell is like this inside the nucleus, and here is the peripheral part. The spindle fibers are arranged like this. So they form spindle fibers, due to which they are separated. Means one come to this side and another come to this side. Means these spindle fibers cuts or breaks from the central part of the chromosome. They are attached with the chromosome. Then what happens? This spindle fiber or spindle apparatus is basal body for cilia and flagella. It means the basal body of cilia or flagella is acts as the source for cell division in case of some animal cell division, due to which we can say that they play the important role in cell division in animals. Cell division in animals. And if we see the structure of centrosome, then it will look like exactly the flagella or cilia's basal body looks. They are arranged like cartwheel. Cartwheel means, if we saw the cartwheel means the belgadi, they are arranged like this. Centrally located circle or centrally located tubule emerge many radially arranged array-like structure. Clear? So they are arranged like, means the centrosome or centrioles are arranged like spokes of a cartwheel, and they are look like a cartwheel. Clear, students? Sometimes what happens, the tubulin protein is present at the peripheral region. Means in its peripheral region, the tubulin protein. The name of the protein is tubulin protein, and that tubulin protein is present towards the peripheral part of the circle or the cartwheel structure, and they are called as the hubs. Again, I have told you that during its arrangement, means the structure of cilia and flagella is similar with the structure of centrioles and centrosomes. Why? Because the basal body form the centriole and centrosome. They are present outside the nucleus but help in the cell division, means when the genetic materials are separated or given to the daughter cells, at that moment what happens? At that moment the centrosome produce spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers attached with the chromosome and stretch the chromosome from both the ends, due to which half chromosome goes to one daughter cell, whereas another half chromosome goes to another daughter cell. So in this way, the centrosome or centriole acts in the animal cell. Clear, student? So this is all about your cytoskeleton, cilia and flagella, centrosome and centriole. We will study about nucleus.